Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transform your iPhone into actual book. So it would look like one with the curl pages. So first of all, you want to open up your Books application, which is already pre-installed into your iPhone. You can also just swipe down and search for Books application and open it up. Now choose your favorite book, which you are already reading on Apple Books, and then you want to go ahead and click that button at the bottom with those lines and dots right there, and you will see that there are themes and settings. Click on it. From here you can change a lot of things like a dark mode, but I'm gonna leave it to original. You can also go ahead and make the font bigger if you need, and also change the brightness. Now to change the pages, you want to click on this button, the second button to the right, and choose curl option. And now once you read a book, let's go ahead. As you can see, it already turns like a book, but you can actually do this, as you can see. And that's how you do this. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.